Hey gals and guys, Briggs again with our latest Raise Unlimited video. We hope that you had stayed safe and healthy, and hope that these videos inspire you to get out when appropriate and see some marine wildlife that supports the habitat in which they live. In the interim, let's see some humpbacks.
Humpback whales are usually 18 meters long and weigh around 40 tons. These gigantic mammals swim thousands of kilometers from Antarctica to reach the coasts of South Africa, Mozambique, Tanzania, and even Kenya. Humpback whales swim through Mozambique's oceans primarily in the months of July through October. While it has not been scientifically confirmed, researchers believe that humpbacks come to East Africa to give birth in the safe, warm, and tropical waters. They then return in the coming years with their children, known as calves, to protect them as they grow up. We are always out in the ocean, and during the weekends in these months, we see them all the time. Humpbacks are usually 2 or 3 miles offshore, so we see them whether we are looking for them or not. We have even paddled out to them while surfing. I wouldn't recommend it though. Humpback whales, just like any baleen whale, are seasonal feeders that feed on tiny crustaceans such as krill, as well as plankton and small fish. They are gulpers, which means that they swallow everything whole, and their mouth is designed to take in large amounts of water and filter out the food to digest. An average-sized humpback will eat around 5,000 pounds of plankton each day during the migration season. That's a lot of food. Humpbacks also play on the surface a lot. We saw this many times in our time in Mozambique. The whales would be 100 yards or a football field apart. One mother would slap her tail on the water repeatedly, and then we would see another suspected mother or female slap her tail in return. They would do this for a few sequences, but their most favorite move out of the water is their breach, when most of their entire body erupts out of the surface and comes crashing down like a belly flop. I've read that they do this sometimes to get a better glimpse of what's going on above sea level.
We hoped you enjoyed our video. Well, Mozambique has its share of humpbacks, with literally thousands up and down its coasts from July through October. They can be found just about anywhere. We saw them nearly every time we were in the ocean. Check out another international marine conservation organization that we support, the Ocean Conservancy. They have some great information on their website, and we encourage you to join their effort. Please don't forget to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and please check out our website, www.raiseunlimited.com. Stay tuned for our next episode on the Divine Manta Ray.